Welcome to Intues, where we dive deep into the transformative technologies which is shaping tomorrow's world. I'm your host, Anal here, and today we are talking about something that's been making waves across every sector, which is artificial intelligence, from healthcare to finance. And in today's episode, the Manish, he is CTO of the Intues with us. Hi Manish, hope you're doing well.
Yes, all good. Thanks for having me, Anil. It's great to be here.
We are excited to have you. So let's jump straight into it. Artificial intelligence, it's everywhere. How do you see it transforming with different industries?
Yes, from as you said, from the healthcare to finance, right? If I talking about the healthcare, right? So AI has been a game changer, especially in the this healthcare sector. We have seen the AI application ranging from diagnostic tools to predictive analytics that help to identify the disease early. Right, one of the most important example, if I say, right, IBM Watson Health, which can analyze vast amount of medical literature, patient data to assist the doctor in making more accurate decisions.
Okay. That sounds really incredible. And I have also heard about that AI's ability to predict conditions before they become critical. So can you elaborate please that how it works?
Yes, absolutely. For example, the machine learning algorithms can analyze the patient records, medical image, even genetic data to identify the spot patterns of the data. Okay, take a heart disease, right? AI model can detect early warning signs like abnormal heart rhythms long before a human doctor might notice. This allows doctor to intervene early and saving lives to reduce healthcare cost.
Hmm. Okay. So it seems like that AI is not just about the treatment, but it's also about the prevention, right?
Yes, you are right. AI help to prevent the many diseases, improving the patient care, like managing the resource more efficiently, whether through AI-powered virtual assistants, uh, the schedule the appointments and automate the systems that handle the administrative tasks, leaving the doctor to focus more on the patient care.
Okay. And that's I think really fascinating. So now let's shift gears a bit and we are talking about the finance industry, right? So
Right.
we are nowadays that we are seeing that AI do some pretty and mind-blowing things too, like fraud detections and algorithm trending. Could you
Yeah,
please walk through that some of these applications related to finance category?
yeah, sure. In finance, AI is a major players detecting the fraud activity specifically, right? Because that's a very big challenge, right? So AI will help us on that area. Algorithms analyze the transactions patterns in the real time to flag the unusual behavior, right? So it's much quicker than the human analytics can identify the threat before they escalate. For example, AI system can spot the fraud credit card charges, right? Or identify the financial crack by recognizing the inconsistency in the transactions across the various patterns.
Okay. And that's really useful information to our users. And what about in the world of investment? I know that AI has made its mark there as well, right?
Yes. So if I talking about the investments, there are two types of investment in the market. One is the small segment, right? And the second is the big player. So AI play a huge role in the algorithmic trading, right? Where the machine learning model analyze the massive data sets, sports trends, and the make investment decision. Sometimes in the millisecond. And AI can also use the portfolio management recommendations for the investment strategy based on the user risk profile and the market condition.
Okay. And it seems like that AI is leaving the playing field, right? And helping investors make smarter decisions.
Yes, as I say, there are small players, the individual investors, right, and the institutional investors, right. So here, it's the AI is not specific to the big players. Now, there are many tools available using the AI algorithms. It's give the suggestions, and individual investor can now leverage the AI for smarter, more informed decisions.
Okay. So we have talked about the healthcare and finance industries.
Right.
So let's move to the another industry, which is manufacture, right?
E-
So I have heard that AI's role in robotics and predictive maintenance, right, is a game changer. So can you please explain that how AI is become a game changer for the manufacturing industry?
Definitely. In the manufacturing, AI-powered robots are taking over the repetitive and hazardous tasks, and which increase the production speed and quality while reducing the human error. For example, the autonomous robots are now assembling the parts, packaging the products, and performing quality checks,
Hmm.
all without direct human interventions.
Okay. Okay. And predictive maintenance is also huge, right?
Yes. So you were right. Like the predictive maintenance means if I have a one big order, right, and I'm running the manufacturing company, if sudden happen on my machines, I'm not able to complete the my order within the time,
Sure.
right?
Sure.
AI help the predict when machine will fail by analyzing the sensor data, spotting the pattern that indicate the malfunctions of that machines, and this help manufacturing perform the maintenance only when it's needed, avoid unnecessary downtime, and the improving overall efficiency. Company will like Siemens, right? They are having a like AI recently launched the AI smart factory, which doing the same thing in the energy use.
Okay. Okay. And what about retail industry? AI is clearly transforming the how companies interact with customers, right? And personalized shopping experience and chatbots, predictive journey, etc. So how AI is enhancing in the retail shape?
Yes, AI revolutionizing in the customer experience, like retailer like Amazon, for example, right? So they are actually giving many options by analyzing the shopping behaviors, recommend the personal products, even optimize the pricing using the AI nowadays. And AI powered chatbot, for an instance, think from like the perspective, like 24 by 7, you will have a your personal shopping assistants who help and resolve the queries, even assisting for the purchasing your favorite products. And you can ask and treat as a personal shopping assistant, right? So retail side, definitely many things that we can do using the AI.
And I think it is useful for inventory management too.
Yes, you are right. Predict the customer demand by analyzing the trends and customer behaviors. Uh,
Hmm.
so, for example, AI algorithm can detect sudden spike and demand for the particular products, and it automatically reorder it to the ensures to the store. It's never out of stock.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, inventory management, the AI-driven inventory manager definitely using the AI, we can do much more.
Okay, okay. So I think we have covered the healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and retail, right? This four industry is booming the world in the artificial intelligence in 2025, right? So
Right.
before we wrap up, we have talked about the AI's impact across industry. But what does the future hold? What's next for the AI in the coming years?
Okay, so the future of AI definitely exciting, right? Definitely the customer service, healthcare, even educations, right? There are also AI roles in the creative industries like art and music, right? Where AI is starting to help artists to create innovative work. But the key challenge moving forward is the ethics. So we need to ensure the AI is used responsibly with the fairness, transparency, and accounting.
Yeah, and I think
Technology count is the disadvantage, and also here just we need to ensure the AI use with the fairness, transparency, and accountability. Again, I'm saying the same thing.
okay, and I think it's very clear that AI is changing everything, but we have to make sure that we are careful with how we use it, right?
Yes, you are right. If I talking about the possibility of AI are limitless, currently we are just scratching the surface,
Hmm.
right? Up up to all of us, like scientists, technologists, business, and the individuals, to ensure to build the future where AI serves the humanity, not the other world around.
Yes, 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 yes. So well said, Manish, and thank you for having with us. And thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your expertise. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Manish. Thank you. So, and to our listeners, that thank you for tuning in. And we hope that you have enjoyed the today's episode on the groundbreaking applications of AI across industries. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions in the future episodes. Until next time, thank you. Thank you so much.